Make money online woodworking is something that is blowing up my YouTube recommendation feed, and it is filled with people that say build these 5 projects, sell them, low cost, high profit. And I came across one that was pretty easy to make, and I had the material to make it, and that is coasters. We are going to make them from this 4x4 piece of scrap wood. We're going to cut them into 3/4 inch thickness pieces. We're going to cut up as as many as this can take. We have a bit of damage here, but that's no problem. We're going to cut up all the way down, and then we're going to group them, and then we're going to finish them, and then we'll sell them and see if we can make some money online building coasters. You get to follow along as I build this now. It's pretty straightforward. Something that, if you have a decent miter saw, you can cut with. If not, you can use just a regular hand saw. You can still make this doable. What we're going to do though is we're going to use this stop block to get our width of our coaster. So we're just going to set it. The video that I saw, he said 3/4 inch, but after speaking to the boss, the wife lady, she said do it in 1/2 inch. We are going to lock this down. Doesn't go anywhere. So now we're going to make 4 pieces, 4 coasters, rough squares, with this little piece of spruce here. I think that's a good size. 1. 2. 3. Now we're going to take these and make our way to the sander. Sweet. We'll do a quick pass with this. And then we'll damage them at the same time, because why not? Just going to unclamp our sander. And we'll clamp to the same piece here. So we don't have a proper table. We have the table that the miter saw is on, obviously, but we can just build our own table. It's not very solid, but I'm just going to do a bit of staining right on the surface here. So it's perfect. Would have been better if I cut them straight, eh? That's not too bad. Okay, we cut it like this. So now we're taking our poly, a little Minwax I had extra. This one is it's a satin finish. Put these spaced out a little bit. Okay. Drop. There we go. Hopefully it'll stay. Open this can up. It's already stirred. Stir your cans. Right, nice little swirl. Don't shake them. Ooh. Here. Boom. Okay, now let's get into it. A little foam brush here. You could probably hold it. We did not put enough. Actually, it'd be a little easier if I held it first. Did everything I could. Do everything we can. Then at the end, we'll rest it with the last little bit. We're holding. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. Anyway, there's one. So now we're going to do the other 4. I feel like a rag would have been better than this brush. I know there's some debate about polyurethane or just mineral oil for the finish. I have this poly, so I'm going to use what I have. Makes life easier that way. Use what you got. I don't have a table, right? And everything is working out just fine. We're leaking. No! Add up a little bit. Cut your toilet paper roll straight. All right, that's it. We're gonna clean off the brush, let this dry for a couple hours, and we'll come back to it. It's dry to the touch now. It's been about 6 hours. We're gonna hit it with a quick little 220, and then put our second coat. So they're finally finished. We have them all nice and done up. I'm actually quite pleased with the way they came out. As you can see behind me here, I got a lot more to make. I'm probably going to build them to order. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this set online. We're going to list it for 30 bucks. Ideally, I was thinking $15 for two because they were saying they can sell more than that. So I just didn't believe it really. So we'll be more conservative. We'll do 15 for two. And if that doesn't work, then we'll lower the price and then we'll see what it's really going to be sitting at. We're going to try to sell them locally first. I don't really want to ever sell anything online. I mean, not online, but shipping and going outside of my local area. It's a lot easier if people can just come to your house and pick it up, or you can drop it off on your way to go do some other errands. And to me, that's what that's the whole game plan behind this, is to just sell them locally. I mean, obviously at a certain point, nobody needs them, but they make great gifts. So the same person might buy multiple to give out as gifts. So we're gonna put these together. We're gonna wrap them with a bit of string here for a nice little photo. I'm gonna go up and over, up and over. What we'll do is we'll do a little thing like this. It's gonna go this way and this way. Stack them nice and tight. From here, flip it over. Then we'll just do a basic bow on the top here. Well, there we go. And now you can gift it to somebody like this. Well, gift it. Well, you can make them as gifts too if you want to, but you could sell them just like this. And there you go. People are going to have their coasters. So now we'll just take them like this. We'll post a photo of them online and try to sell some. It has been 7 days since we listed the coasters. And in that time, we have made, drum roll, $150. Canadian, of course. We're in Canada over here. We sold $150 worth, which is 5 sets in a week, and we listed them all locally. So we were able to sell them, while we're running errands. People come over, pick them up. Some people were buying them as gifts for other people. So it's a great little project to make. I really enjoy doing it. I'm just a regular guy who really likes to build things. So if you want, leave a comment of how I could have built this better. Maybe another project I can try. You will be seeing more of these videos. So subscribe. It's the part where I tell you subscribe if you wanna see more of these. I enjoyed making it because I also enjoyed making a bit of money at the same time. So if you guys want more of this, stick around, and I'll see you in the next video. Did you guys just realize it's Canadian? Oh no. That's like 12 bucks.